So Adam's gone down to Spare Parts Cressida to get a half shaft nut because we cooked one of them last night. But got the diff back in, as you saw, and now I've got to deal with this mess because it's been raining. God, I made a mess of that thing. Bloody hell. Anyway, Adam's pretty happy with his exhaust. He's just going to do some trimming of this just to give it a little bit more clearance, otherwise it'll probably rattle. And we're using some hose clamps on these rubber mounts just to try and hold this exhaust up as high as we can. So obviously we'll trim that off. And he's got to make a new mount for here because the old one sort of came down a bit, and with the exhaust built the way it was and then being lifted up, the donuts that were hanging were just not going to work. So he's got 2 rubber donuts. These things, this is the mount that was on it. So he's got to make a flat one instead. So the donuts sit higher, so they actually hold the tail end of the exhaust in properly. Anyway, he's going to go on with that. I am waiting for this 25 tonner to get here. Don't know where it's gone. Meant to be here an hour ago. It's all happening here.
It's a bit hard, mate.
Might be diamonds, eh?
Gone to that mall already.
Hey?
See what's doing with that mall already.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Weldy, weldy, weldy. Nice. Good.
That's the new bracket to hold the muffler up a bit higher. Very good. So what do you need? You need that. This thing here, this is what you need. Oh.
See that?
I thought that was going to be funny, but you got it anyway, you ass.
I'll give that side just a little bit.
Muchos better.
Yeah.
Pretty high up. the back of the car. Yeah, that's tucked up heaps nice.
Yeah, sucked up really good.
Yeah,
I
nice.
still need to tighten that D-beam up, so I'll hold it there so you can
See how that notch works.
just get much better. All of the flow, all of the clearance.
Very nice exhaust, mates.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you $50 for it.
Oh, give you a fuck off.
Alrighty, happy man.
Yeah.
Look, car's back on the ground, diff's full of oil. And touch wood is not leaking yet, and as you can see, quite a bit of clearance there.
That's a 40mm block.
So that's a 40mm block on edge, and it's clearing that. So it's got at least 40mm clearance, which is plenty. And with that little scrapey pad, should be no more catching on anything. And yeah, touch wood, that diff doesn't leak at all.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. Considering it was 30mm off the ground to the resonator, and now it's 45 to the resonator and 40 to the V-beam. And with more flow, like, yeah, much.
Rightio guys, sorry I didn't film a lot of what Adam was doing or talk about too much just because of how loud it was today in the shed with that rock breaker. So overall successful weekend. Adam's super stoked with his exhaust now, so much better than it was. So everything done to the Cressida that we wanted to get done, and it's ready to go down to our boy Sam White's wiring on Tuesday. So we'll make a video of that as well when it comes time. But for now, back to the coast with the car, and yeah, head back down there on Tuesday. So that excavator is breaking up all that rock on that pad next to the shed. The shed's actually getting doubled in size, so that's why we have to move all that rock. Originally it was terraced up because we were going to terrace the floor, so make the shed 2 levels just because of that rock, but we decided to actually level it down to the same level and continue it on the same level all the way through. Got a little bit of a bust up here by the looks. So yeah, decided to continue the shed the whole way the same level, so it's getting doubled in size to make room for the dyno and the engine room and all that sort of stuff. So and a few more hoists. We've got a pretty good plan for how we're going to set it out. It'll be an awesome setup when we're done. Be even bigger than Jimmy Oakes' place. But anyway, that digger's got a fair bit of work cut out for it, getting those out. Those rocks are hard as. It's been just Adam all day. I can't believe how hard them rocks are. So just straight up rock, straight off the bedrock. So after those rocks, that digger's actually going to drop a few trees around the place that we want gone, that we need gone, that are split. Will have half fallen off and too heavy on one side, and they're going to fall down eventually. So a few trees around the place we're going to drop. I wanted to film a bit more of that, but it just took so long to break up them rocks. But anyway, that's all from us for this video. Thanks for watching. As always, hit subscribe. Please press like, it helps more than you think. And leave a comment if you want to say something. And we will see you on the next one. Peace. Catch you later. See you later. Bye. Bye.